Uplink secured.
Welcome to the Anderson Expedition.
Hello and welcome to the Anderson Expedition. I'm Chris, and this trip was a huge milestone for Cora and I because it's actually our first time to Japan.
Nani?
So from the start, we stepped off the plane. It was non-stop excitement. There's so much to see, so much to take in, and yes, the camera wouldn't always keep up. Some of the footage is a little shaky, but trust me, it's all part of the adventure. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and join us as we explore Japan for the very first time.
Let's go!
You've likely already recognized two iconic pieces of Japanese artwork, and we're just getting started. From traditional woodblock prints to modern pop culture, Japanese art has left an indelible mark on the world. Its unique aesthetic, rich history, and profound creativity have influenced countless forms of expression across the globe, captivating people from all walks of life. According to tourist stats from the Japan National Tourism Organization, I'll link this in the description, Japan has been a top destination for travelers since 2014. With the exception of the pandemic years. The takeaway, if Japan feels like a destination you could never visit, think again. Start planning today and turn that dream into a reality. During the planning phase, it's a good idea to map out your routes through the train stations in advance. While most signs are in English, the bustling environment can still be very overwhelming, making it easy to lose your way. Next up, payment methods. While Japan has embraced cashless payment in recent years, many places, especially smaller establishments, still operate on a cash-only basis. It's a smart move to exchange currency as soon as you land.
2 hours later.
For those of us used to relying solely on cards in the US, this might feel different, but it's important to respect Japan's customs.
Cash, or do you have Alipay or okay, cash only? Yeah, we have cash too.
The Japanese are famously kind and incredibly accommodating, but as a traveler, remember that you're a guest in their home. It's on us to adapt, not the other way around. Most businesses provide laminated menus in multiple languages to help bridge the communication gap, making it easier for visitors to order. You'll also notice small trays at the counter for handling payments. In Japan, it's considered impolite to hand money directly to someone, so always use the tray. This practice reflects Japan's cultural values of order, respect, and maintaining professionalism. I believe this is a good example of what makes Japanese culture so special.
Millions of dollars in lost revenue every year.
They hide, they duck, they climb, they go through 2 at a time. Anything to avoid paying the fare.
I'm not exaggerating when I say this. In Japan, it's completely normal to see people leave bags, phones, and other valuables unattended while they step away to use the restroom or run an errand. Crimes like theft and assault are incredibly rare. The reason lies in Japan's deep cultural emphasis on harmony, respect, and strict adherence to rules. It truly is one of the safest countries in the world. In the next video, I'll dive into train etiquette, explore what it's like to walk the streets of Japan late at night, and share our experience checking into One Tokyo, link in the description. I've been fortunate to have a few Japanese friends and mentors who've inspired me to learn more about their amazing culture and share it with you. If you have any questions, suggestions, or feedback, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. This channel is a passion project for me. And as we're just getting started, my first goal is to hit 100 subscribers. Reaching that milestone would definitely motivate me to step things up even more. Thanks for watching. Matinee.